Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be building a GK64 from my friend. So these are the keycaps that I'll be building for him. So this is the keycaps. This will be the switch. He would like to have a Kaih Brown switch for his build. And lastly, this is the keyboard. SkyLoong GK64 with Bluetooth. So let's take a look inside. Alright, as usual, inside you will have the stubs. GK64 always will have an extra piece for this where you can configure the spacebar into these three other buttons for you to configure in their software. Okay, so we have this instruction manual again, and also some of the instructions on how to switching between this spacebar and this additional extension. Okay, very good space keycap key holder, and this. Okay, so let me find for the. Alright, here are the wires. A braided type USB to type C. And also some of the, I believe this one is the keycaps. Yep, the keycaps, and also for the switch puller. Okay. Okay. So this is the keyboard. So for this keyboard, actually I got talked with him on whether he would like to have a 60 keyboard or a 64 keyboard. From what he said, he told me that he would like a 64 keyboard, which would have the up, down, left, right, which would be right over here if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so he doesn't want any upgrades or any customization. He would like just a normal build. So today I'll be building this for him. Okay, so let's start our build. Okay, first thing first, as always, I will not be using his wires. I'll be using my own one, which is already connected to the computer. So let us have the first look of it. Beautiful as always, GK64. Okay, so the first thing first, as usual, I would always check for the switch to see is everything working as fine. So let me pull out the keyboard tester in my computer. Alright, so let's go through one by one to see if all of the chips are working. Doing this one, I do not actually like force my pin down. I just need the connector to touch on the metallic part, then it will trigger already. So by doing this one, you can actually know that if there is any connectors lost before we start working on. If there's any connector loss, we would actually know, and then we can actually fix it up before we start working on the keyboard. So if there's any key that is not working, it would be most likely due to the switch the leg might be bent, or there's some problem with the switch. It's not actually on the board that's having the issue. Okay, so this is normally what I do, a quick check lah. And do not worry, this will not spoil this one, because I'm not actually forcing my way down. I just need to just let the two legs of it to hold the button on, just to touch it lightly, lightly only, then you will actually already triggered the buttons up. You don't need to like jam it down to the hole, all those things, etc. Okay, so now we are done already. We know everything's working. So next I'll be working on the keycaps. The keycaps today that we'll be working on, it is actually Kaih Brown switch, which is a tactical switch. As you can see here, tactical switch. So listen to the sound. I will not be lubing it or having any modification on the switch. I'll use it as it is because this one is a beginner board. I think he would like to have some fun with it Okay, alright, so let's start assembling the switch. Okay. Okay, so now we are done with the switch. Let me check again with the keyboard tester to see if everything is working fine. Oops, missing one. Missing one switch. Alright, so let's take a look and see. We check everything. Is everything fine, or is there any loose parts or anything like that? So let's go again. Okay, alright, that's okay. So all of the switch checkouts, everything is working nicely. Okay, so the last but not least, it's time to add on this. Okay. All right. Okay, so let's start putting on the keycaps. So guys, this will be the typing test for GK64. Alright, looks like everything is nice. Let you hear the sound of the keyboard. So now the shift, lock, escape. Okay, looks like everything is alright for his keyboard. So let me now pack it back for him to, so I can deliver to him. Three extra switch for him that you to use with his other extension, this one. So he'll be needing an extra two to be used with this one. So you pass him 2 switch, and also the extra keycaps that come with this set. I'll put it all inside here for him. Okay. Keycap puller, the switch ring, the wire, and last but not least, the instructions, and also his instructions. Okay. Alright. Oops. Okay, that will be all. Thank you all so much for watching my video. I really do hope you will like and subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting more in the future. Thank you very much everyone. Have a nice day. Goodbye.